Good morning, sunshine.
Hey.
Is it all back here?
Yeah.
All right. Are you afraid of car washes?
I've been lazy.
All right, let's get this out first. Open that up and I'll drop it down. Yachty should have everything down. If you want to text them right now to tell them to bring it down. Unless somebody wrote, please don't. Okay, this holds up here. And don't we have other things as well? Where are those?
Here we got.
Oh, cool. All right,
Yeah.
I'll take this.
Then I brought
Tools?
screwdriver.
Excellent. Let's bring it. Let's bring it. All righty. Ready for fun?
Alright.
Come on, it's Fun Friday. Yeah, make sure he's bringing it down before we get up there, because it's going to take a bit. Cool. Pick up the power cable. Alrighty. There you go. There you go, ma'am. Good morning. You take this up, I'll carry that. Yeah. There you go. Take your tools. There you go. Get up there and make sure that shit's off. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Where would you like this, sir? Alrighty. All right. Let's see. Are we down?
That's Blvd.
Okay.
No,
What's this one right here? That's files?
that's the new one we got for them about a year and a half, 2 ago.
Yeah, why wasn't that listed in the backplane?
It might all. Maybe it has it already.
No. Get Yachty on. Tell him we're not upgrading file server. This shit. What is this?
Just old rails.
All right. What's this Netgear? And we have a Synology over here that's like not even on. It's like frying out. This is the archive. It looks like it's frying out though. All right, what is he writing? Because I hear my thing going off. Okay.
Says no.
What? What?
He just says no.
Be like, why? Is there a reason? All right. So let's do the one on top first. Good morning. Good, good. So let's do the one on top first. How much slack do you have in the back?
We got plenty of.
Good morning.
Clean this up.
That's what we're trying to do. First I want to get the servers up. How you doing? Long time no see.
Long time no see, bud.
Yeah, I want to first get the servers up and then we're going to clean. Because what we're going to do is we're going to change the backplanes so they can support 10G so we can have the backups a lot faster.
Okay. guys updated the battery backup already?
Yeah, that's that one. And I brought an extra one because what I've noticed is with the power hits that this thing is taking, I want to get 2 out here.
Yeah, and then
Too small.
this one, I wanted to do the phone backup.
Okay, that works. You know why? We just brought this one with us. I want to replace that one. So yeah, I'll put it directly to your phones.
Yeah, put it to the phone backup.
Sure.
All right, and all the switches.
Okay.
All the switches and the phone backups on.
Not a problem. I'll do it.
And that'll help. That'll keep everything running.
Yep. Excellent.
We got plenty of slack.
All right, you got plenty of slack? Do you need a step? Or do you got it? Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything.
Appreciate it. Pat, do you need a step before he leaves?
Oh,
Okay.
there's like a cable on that whole thing, though.
So, Cam server is just a domain controller. Did he shut up Azira too? Why did he shut off Azira? Oh. All right, he didn't shut off Cam server then.
No, that's not even in service.
Oh, it isn't? Then can we unplug that? Let's pull it out. To ask him, let me ask him. You can do what you think.
I don't know if you remember like a couple of years ago, the one died. I
Yeah.
think that's a loaner we.
Oh, really?
I might be wrong.
Is Cam server still online?
Alright.
Want me to pull forward?
Let me disconnect the network cable just in case.
Yeah. Yeah, my goal is to get the backplanes in these, get the network cards in, get these online once we move over. Now, do you have to move another power supply on these or no?
No.
Okay. For the phones, he wants everything on this battery backup, so we're gonna have to disconnect everything from here that is over here. So if there's anything that can't be, matter of fact. Oh, dude. You didn't need that power adapter after all. You have an Eaton right here.
Where's that?
Did you know that?
Did I read?
You had an Eaton right here.
Oh, I wouldn't use this thing.
All right, but there's things in it, and guess what?
Really?
Not only, first of all, it's not even on, but can I show you something? We could have used that split lock. We didn't need to, we did, look, Pat, we didn't need the fucking thing.
Really?
This is not even on.
This thing is ancient.
Yeah, but it's not on. What I'm trying to say is we didn't need the outlet thing. We could have always done it.
Oh, you could have just plugged it right into here?
Right into here. Disconnect this. We don't need this. This isn't even on. Now you hear what I'm saying?
Oh, I see.
Okay, and this thing here was off. We got to make sure this thing stays on. All right, so what he's wanting us to do is everything in this rack, he wants going directly to that 1000 battery backup.
Okay.
What we're going to do is put everything on this one here that we want to protect,
Yeah.
okay? So do you have anything that's going to this battery right here? We got to take it off itself.
Yeah, these couple these surge protectors are plugged into that.
This is a fucking mess.
Yeah, this is.
All right, we're going to do the phone. We'll do
I
the.
think we should do is stage the batteries and stuff.
Okay, let's do
And
that.
then come back.
Okay, let's go ahead and do this.
Oh, no, plug this
Okay.
in. 1 second.
Oh, sorry.
D-Rock.
You could disconnect that cable on that cable management. It's not even being used, is it? I don't see anything Velcroed in it. Was there anything Velcroed in it?
Not really.
Okay. All right. This stuff here, clean this shit up. Garbage.